Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making Philly cheesesteaks. Now I just got off of work, but right now I'm just taking all the meat apart. I didn't feel like recording the draining process and the seasoning process, but I did season it off camera. Right here I have peppers. I really love peppers, and I also added some cheese. Next I just went for a walk. Just want to get out the house and just do a little walk. Okay, so this is the finishing result. I did add some peppers on the side because I love peppers, but I just loved how this came out on a cute little plate. It was really giving Gordon Ramsay. But right now I'm just getting ready for bed, just brushing my teeth, my gums, and your tongue. Brush your tongue, okay? Brush it real good right there. Brush it. Right now I'm just going to be wiping my face with cold water, and I'm just going to be using this product called Butter by Dorian Renew. Right here's the cream. It is so good. I'm going to put that video in my description, so make sure you check that out as well. So right here is just a serum. I put it in the 5 areas that I wanted: my forehead, my cheeks, my nose, and my chin. Next, what I'm going to be using is the cream. It's so good. It works smoothly. It smells amazing. I just love this product with all my heart. I use it on a daily. I just can't get enough.